Okay, Bismillah. Okay, folks. Right, we're joined here by my student. We're looking at clip 62, grade D, proportion recipe type questions. So, it says here are the ingredients needed to make 8 pancakes. James wants to make 24 pancakes. So what we need to do here, so these are the ingredients for 8, but we need to go to make more pancakes. How many times more? Okay, how many times more? 3 times more. If we're going to make 3 times the number of pancakes, then we will need 3 times the ingredients. It says to work out how much milk he needs. Well, he will need 3 times the amount of milk. So what we do here, we multiply it by 3. And that will give us the answer. Okay, so for part A, all they've asked us to work out is the amount of milk he needs for 3 times the number of pancakes. I want you to work it out for each ingredient for me. So each one you would do the same thing, you would multiply it by 3. So I want you to multiply these 3 ingredients left over by 3 and give me the answers, please. Do that now. So the answer given to me by my student is the following: 3 eggs, 420 grams of flour, 15 grams of butter, if we carry on the rest of the ingredients. Now the question then goes into Kate makes 12 pancakes, work out how much flour she needs. Now, let's have a look over here. Now we know the ingredients for 8 pancakes. We now need to get to 12 pancakes. We could simply halve the ingredients of the previous answer, because we know 12 is half of 24, but we're going to assume we haven't worked out the 24 answer first. So this is the first question that you've been given on this question. So you have to now again, same thing, how do we get from 8 pancakes to 12 pancakes? Now you either know what the multiplier is, which is a decimal or a fractional one, you know it yourself, or you make a way to it. Now, how do we get from 8 to 12? So, we could work our way from 8 to... What's 8 divided by 2? 8 divided by 2 will give us 4. And if we got 4, how do we get from 4 to 12? 12 by 3. So in a sense, if you think about this question here, it is as though we are doing, okay, we're going to go from 8 to 12. Then we do direct proportion ratio question as we've done in the previous exercises. Now it's talking about, it wants to know how much flour for 12 pancakes, and the flour originally was 140 grams. So we got 8 pancakes. That's my pancake. 140 grams worth of flour. I want to get to 12 pancakes. So what do? What we just said. So from 8 we go to 4. Because 8 won't go directly to 12 unless you multiply by 1.5. So we've taken that multiplying technique out, that decimal one. So 8 to 4 we divided by 2, and then 4 to 12 we times by 3. So I'm just resetting out this idea here in the way that you will be used to seeing it. So what we do on the left hand side, we do on the right hand side. So we have 140 divided by 2, that gives you 70 grams, and then we time by 3 here, and then 70 times by 3. So the answer to part B will be work out how much flour she needs. She would need 210, whoops, 210 210 grams of flour. So for each one of these questions, we do need to show the working out as much as we can. Okay? Happy with that? Alright, let's see what else we have on the page. I need to clear this page now. Squeegee. So question number 2 is of a similar type. Question number 3. Okay. Right. What I would like to do here. Okay. Question number 3 got a slightly different twist to one of the questions. Now, let's have a look at question number 3, part B. So Sid makes a pineapple sorbet. So here are the ingredients for making pineapple sorbet for 6 people. Sid makes a pineapple sorbet, he uses 2 lemons. So now this is called a reverse question. They've given you the answer, you got to go work backwards and work out what the question was. Work out how many people he makes sorbet for. Okay, they said 2 lemons, and in my question I'm going to change the 2 into a. Okay, I can't even write on there. I am struggling with that. Give me one while I run this mess out. Okay. Right, what I want to do here is replace the 2 with a. Cross it out and put the number in front. There you go. So that's my own question. So Sid makes a pineapple sorbet. He uses 8 lemons. Work out how many people he has made pineapple sorbet for. So let's have a look. So first of all, we know that he uses half a lemon to make sorbet for how many people? 6 people. In the question. Now, he has used 8 lemons. So you have to think, how did he get from half to 8? And what we did here, we have to do here. What did you times it by? Times it by 16. So half times by 16 is 8, and 6 times by 16 will give you 60 plus 36. He's made a pineapple sorbet for 96 people. So this is an example of a reverse question. But they've given you what they've already done. They said, what did we do? So you're working backwards in a sense. That's question number 3 done. Now, in this particular question now, 6 people, and then they want you to do for 18 people. That's quite straightforward and easy. Right. They said 6 people. I want you to work it out for 9 people. And then I want you to work it out for 15 people. Each ingredient. Off you go.